Hey guys, this is my second daily video. I may just end up combining these together. Just in daily videos having to do with whatever. Going to an event this morning. It's pretty early on Sunday morning. I think you guys will enjoy it if you're car guys like me. I've just started my 100 pull-ups and 100 push-ups for the day. So I'll see you later in the video. I got some really cool stuff planned for the day. 1947 Fiat, it's blown. 800 horsepower. And this thing's super fast. You said 0 to 60 in like 2.1 seconds or something like that?
Right.
Yeah, this thing is damn fast. What was the quarter mile?
Ran 911 at 151.
That concludes our video for the day. Keep working hard on your dream, whatever that may be. Had a really fun day today. I'll see you tomorrow. Stay classic. Stay true to yourself. It's been Sam.